Seethi Sahib, the great visionary, former Speaker of Kerala Legislative Assembly, Speaker of Renaissance, advocate of social reforms, the Educationalist, the Statesman, the social reformer, the leader of Renaissance, and above all, he was a human. The Kerala has ever seen and pivotal figure of Kerala's Renaissance era. With immense pleasure and great respect, we are very much proud to inform you that the highly awaited Seethi Sahib Commemoration meeting is scheduled to be held on Saturday, 12th August 2023 at 3 p.m. at SSM Polytechnic College, Tirur, where the glittering memory of Seethi Sahib is still alive. To honor the enduring legacy of this esteemed philosopher, we have great pleasure to enrich the commemoration ceremony with public meeting, commemoration speech, publishing of Seethi Sahib Commemorative Tabloid news supplement, declaration and distribution of Seethi Sahib endowment for top scorers of diploma examinations, commemorative felicitations by guests of eminence, state-level literary competitions, certificate and prize distribution for state-level competition participants and winners, etc. Eminent personalities from the social, educational, and political sphere of Kerala, and distinguished figures from the family of Seethi Sahib and the people influenced by him is partaking this significant event. Your participation is highly solicited in this function. We eagerly request your presence at this event. You are warmly welcomed to grace this occasion and make it ever memorable with your presence. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kindly consider this as a personal invitation from the management, principal, and staff of SSM Polytechnic College, Tirur. Thank you very much again.